In this video, I'm going to show you how to follow topics on X, formerly Twitter, in just a few simple steps. This is a great way to keep up with the subjects you care about, discover more relevant posts, and make your timeline feel a lot more useful. Whether you want to stay updated on technology, news, sports, or a niche interest, following the right topics can make a big difference. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy social media guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your X account. You can do this on desktop or mobile, but for this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the desktop steps. Once you're signed in, take a look at the left sidebar. This is where you'll find the main navigation for your account. Next, click on More in the left sidebar. This opens up a full menu with additional options that are not visible in the main list. From there, click on Lists. On X, lists are one of the easiest ways to organize content around specific topics, accounts, or interests. Now, use the search bar to search for the topic you're interested in. For example, you can search for something broad like marketing, gaming, AI, or photography. You can also search for a more specific subject depending on what you want to follow. Once the results appear, open the topic or the relevant list from the results. Take a moment to review it and make sure it matches what you're looking for. This is important because you want to follow a topic that actually gives you useful content and not something unrelated. After you've opened the right topic or list, click Follow. Once you do that, X will start showing you more content related to that subject. Over time, this can help personalize your experience and make it easier to find posts that match your interests. If you want to follow multiple topics, just repeat the same process. Search for the next topic, open the right result, and click Follow again. You can build up a customized feed over time based on the things you care about most. And that's it. You've now learned how to follow topics on X in a few quick steps. It's simple, effective, and one of the best ways to make your X experience more relevant and more enjoyable. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a future tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.